Welcome to our guide on the best freelancing platforms for beginners. In this video, we will explore 5 top platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, and Guru. Let's dive in. First up is Fiverr. To get started, visit the Fiverr website and click on the Join button. Fill in your details to create your account. Once registered, optimize your profile by adding a professional photo, a catchy bio, and showcasing your skills. Next, browse available gigs to understand what's in demand. When you're ready, create your own gig by clicking on Selling and then Gigs. Set your pricing and offer packages that attract clients. Now, let's move to Upwork. Sign up by clicking Sign Up and choosing whether you want to work as a freelancer or a client. After creating your account, complete your profile with a detailed description of your skills and experience. To find jobs, use the search bar and filter by category. When you find a job that interests you, click Submit a Proposal. Personalize your message and highlight why you're the best fit. Next is Freelancer. Go to the Freelancer website and click Sign Up. Fill in your information and verify your email. To optimize your profile, add a portfolio showcasing your work. Browse projects and place bids on jobs that match your skills. Remember to write compelling proposals to stand out. Now let's check out People Per Hour. Click on Sign Up to create your account. Complete your profile with relevant skills and experiences. Use the Find Work section to search for jobs. When you find a project, send a proposal that outlines your approach and why you're the right choice. Lastly, we have Guru. Visit the Guru website and click Sign Up. After creating your account, enhance your profile with a professional overview and work samples. Use the Find Jobs feature to explore available projects. When you find a suitable job, submit a proposal that clearly addresses the client's needs. Now let's discuss how to avoid scams. Always check client reviews and ratings before accepting a job. Use secure payment methods and never share personal information. To land your first clients, start by applying for smaller projects to build your reputation. Deliver quality work and ask for feedback to improve your profile. With dedication and persistence, you'll soon establish yourself as a successful freelancer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more freelancing tips.